This video will show you how to navigate and use the interactive features of the Wisconsin Department of Health Services Data Direct Opioid module. We will be going through the dashboard showing opioid data. To see more information on a dashboard, you can hover over numbers, maps, and graphs. Here you can find information such as the year of data. By clicking on an image, you can find information about the data source. To navigate between the dashboards on a single topic, click on the buttons at the top of the dashboard. Filters are on the right side of the dashboard. Here you can have options like filtering by drug type, data metric, year, and also demographics such as age and sex. On some dashboards, you can filter information for a single county by clicking on the county on the map. To select multiple counties, click and drag around the counties of interest. To unselect the counties you've filtered and return to the statewide data, click on the white space outside the map. Finally, to download data or an image, first click on the part of the dashboard that you want to download. Then scroll down and click the download button. Here you will be prompted to select the file format you'd like to download in. To learn more information about the data used in the dashboards, click on the Technical Notes button on the bottom right-hand corner of the dashboards. If you want to contact us with questions or comments, click on the email button just under the Technical Notes. Thank you for watching our how-to video.